Okay, so let's go. So let's log in as Mia. We got the password for Mia in the last level. Paste it in. Okay, so this is a guided walkthrough for the Mia level from the Venus CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. So to start the level here, what we need to do is we need to read this file over here, mission.txt. So let's read that. Okay, so it says here, it seems that the user Camilla has left her password inside a folder called Here I Am. So it looks like there's a directory called Here I Am on this on the file system, and we need to locate it in order to locate the password for the next level, which belongs to the Camilla user. So in order to find this folder, we're going to need to use the Linux find command. So it's going to be find and then space. Sorry, it's going to be find and then slash to indicate the entire file system. And we need to specify the type of file we're looking for. In this case, it's going to be the D directory. And we need to specify the name, which is this right here, dash name. And it's going to be Here I Am. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to specify that any error messages are going to be are not going to display with this little part over here. So in this case, 2 refers to the error messages, and we're just going to redirect all the error messages into this device over here called devnull, which is basically a trash can. Okay, so when we run the find command with these parameters here, it looks like the Here I Am directory is in the op directory here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look inside there with the ls command. So inside that directory is a hidden file called .here. So I guess what we can do is we can just read that. So the full file path would be /opt/HereIam/.here. So when we read the file like this, we're going to see that the password for the next user, which is the Camilla user, is this right here. Okay. So everybody playing along at home, these are the credentials for the next level. There you go. All right, so before we finish the level, we're going to do a little after action report for this level. I'm going to copy the username and let's do our little write-up. So this is level 4, which is the Mia level. We're going to edit this file. So let's see. So our target user in this case is the Camilla user, and the method of solving this method of this level was to locate the specific directory by type and name. And our key command on this level was this one right here. Whoops, there you go. All right. So this was a guided walkthrough for the Mia level, HackMyVM.eu's Venus lab. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.